Yes. Slaying bodies in here, or what's it? You got it. What's it? Get slaying bodies in here?
Yeah. Oh, it's good questions. I actually want to talk more.
Yes, you did. How are you?
Give me the best time you can, okay?
All right.
I'm very sorry.
Explanation of the stage. Get a line centered up on these coordinates. You'll engage target 1. That's target on the left. 2 shots. Limited. Stage. 2 rounds of that target. Break the balloon that is closest to the target. You'll then go to T2. 2 rounds on target. Then you'll break the balloon closest to it. Then you'll go back to T1. 2 rounds on target. Break the balloon that is closest to it, because now there's going to be one missing. Go back to T2. Break 2 shots into T2. Break the last balloon. Limited. Like
So, okay, so
if you
should have made them.
except for on balloons.
On
balloons. Only on balloons. 2 shots at the target, and if you because there was somebody that took almost 18 shots trying to break balloons with a revolver. It was great. So yeah, limited on that, unlimited on the balloons. You got to break the balloons. It's like steel. Just like steel. Questions?
Boom, boom, ping, boom, boom.
What, the reloading class?
Boom, boom, ping.
That's not confusing. No.
You took reloading.
Let's see
and
how
now
that
you
works.
shoot.
Should be no problem.
Yeah.
ID is 12 rounds in the gun.
What's that?
Yeah, yeah.
What's
No, the
that?
problem is you just need 12 rounds in the gun.
That's it.
Yeah, that's right.
All right, you're cleared to handle. Load and make ready. All right, Martin, do you understand the course of fire, sir?
Yes.
Outstanding. Is the shooter ready?
So-
Shooter indicates ready. Stand by. There it is. Unload and show clear.
Did I do 2?
I see clear. Slide forward. Hammer home. No, that's right. What you? Range is safe. Yeah, I think you hit it and then you came back, hit it again. So.
All right. Let's see, 11. Couldn't see nothing. I don't know why. Everything was blurry.
But you're all there.
Yeah.
On the same side, meaning it's just your point.
Okay.
You're pointing it.